Okay, this question tests our knowledge of the third law of indices, and that power of 3 and that root of 4 are going to work on both the x's and the y's. So I'm going to remind you what the third law of indices says. It says that a to the power of n, all to the power of n, is equal to that, m times by n. So if I expand these brackets like so, it becomes a lot less problematic. Y to the 8 to the power of 3/4. All we've got to do is multiply these numbers. 12 times by 3/4. So what is 3/4 of 12? Well, it's 9, isn't it? And what's 3/4 of 8? Well, it's 2. 6, sorry. So there we have it. That's actually the answer. So x to the 9, y to the 6. Okay, for the second part, there it is. It's a similar kind of question, but you'll notice that the problem here is that we've got a 9, and we've got to have the same base numbers to be able to use the indices laws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the question using the division, because that reminds me of the second law, which says that it's going to be x minus y, but we have to change that 9. We can't have that 9 like that. Luckily for us, we know that 9 is the same as 3 squared. And now I'm feeling a lot better because now I've got everyone's got a base of 3. So we're getting closer to a solution. Now, of course, 2 times by y is 2y. And now, because everyone's got the same base, I can use this second law of indices, which says m take away n. So let's look at those powers. N is going to be the same as x take away 2y, and therefore n is equal to x minus 2y, and that's what I need to write down in on the answer. Okay, so let's go to the examiner's report. Please do pause. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't use my calculator for that 3/4 power in the first question. It's just going to take you away. It's much simpler than that. Okay, on the mark scheme. Yep, it looks like we've got that quite well. Excellent.